twice a day, at least twice a day. You can do 3 times a day. But is it correct? You're doing it, but are you doing it right? When you wake up in the morning, who among you brush your teeth? Oh, very good. That's less than half. We start with a new habit, Atomians. When we wake up in the morning, we try to brush our teeth. Especially po pag may mga anak kayo. You start it in your home, you start in the family that you're building, para makita rin po ng mga bata. Para ma-wash off yung napanis na laway overnight. Because while we sleep, and the fact na hindi naman natin 100% nalinisan yan during the night, in fact, baka nag-midnight snack ka pa. Nag-overtime yung mga bacteria para kainin at mag-produce ng acid, sirain yung ngipin. Tapos magtataka tayo, no? So, let's do that. And then before bedtime. Before bedtime is very important. Sometimes with the busy schedule, please never ever forget to brush your teeth before bedtime. And after that, do not eat whatever. Do not drink any. Water lang is okay. Like I said, while we sleep, the bacteria works overnight and overtime. Mas masipag po sila kaysa sa mga Atomians para sirain yung ating mga ngipin. Right? Yes. If you haven't done it at bustiso na kayo, pwede nyo pa rin gawin. But it's very important, please, to pass on this message sa mga anak nyo, tsaka sa mga apo ninyo. And I tell you, we can change the statistics.